Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Afterpay to improve checkout UI conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize with Afterpay, start by visiting the Afterpay website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Fill in your personal details, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, set up a password that meets the security requirements. After creating your account, log in to access your Afterpay dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Merchant Integration section. Select the option for Checkout Integration. Download the Afterpay SDK or API documentation relevant to your platform. Follow the instructions to integrate Afterpay into your website or app. Ensure that your website meets the requirements for Afterpay's services. Test the integration in a sandbox environment to ensure everything works smoothly. Once testing is complete, move to the production environment. Authorize the Afterpay transaction using the customer's payment information during checkout. Monitor your transaction status in the Afterpay dashboard. Review the customer experience and make adjustments to your checkout UI as needed. Consider implementing feedback mechanisms to further optimize the process. Ensure that support resources are readily available for users needing assistance. Track your conversion rates to measure the effectiveness of Afterpay in your checkout process. Adjust your marketing strategies based on insights gathered from Afterpay transactions. Celebrate the improvements in your checkout UI conversions as you continue to adapt and optimize. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.